If your truck's gas tank looked like this, would you choose to throw it away? In such cases in our country, people might opt to replace the tank with a new one. However, in Pakistan, due to shortages of supplies and difficulties in finding parts, the practice is to repair rather than replace. Repair costs, at just 2,000 rupees, are also affordable to restore the tank like new. Let's now take a look at how they go about repairing it. Firstly, the gas tank must be detached from the vehicle body before starting repairs. This process is relatively straightforward. Unscrew the bolts securing the tank brackets to separate them from the body easily. However, the tank still contains about half a diesel tank, so two mechanics must work together to drain the fuel inside the tank. This step is crucial to facilitate the repair work. Failure to remove the fuel from inside the tank could pose safety risks during repairs. Once the fuel has been drained, one mechanic moves the tank away from the fuel location to begin repairs. They remove the fixed bolt from the exhaust hole on top of the tank to equalize its internal pressure with atmospheric pressure. Then, they use tools to cut along the middle of the tank. Since the tank stores flammable liquids, using an angle grinder during cutting could lead to sparks or high temperatures, potentially causing fire or explosion hazards. Therefore, employing this cutting method is a wise choice. After 15 minutes of tapping and pounding by experienced mechanics, the tank is successfully split into two parts. The middle connection often has a partition called a baffle, which minimizes liquid turbulence and noise inside the tank. Mechanics remove these baffles using the same method, ensuring the tank is fully dismantled. Next comes the critical straightening phase. Without specialized straightening equipment for severely deformed tanks, mechanics resort to the traditional method of meticulously tapping and shaping with a hammer. Although not the most efficient solution, it's often the only feasible option. Once the extensive dents are hammered out, they place the tank on an I-beam steel rail and tap and straighten until the desired curvature is achieved carefully. With straightening completed, welding follows. Mechanics first use flame lead soldering to weld the end caps onto both tank ends. This process requires careful handling to ensure every point is securely welded, preventing any leakage or seepage issues during subsequent use. After welding, the two sections of the tank are reassembled. Due to slight size discrepancies in the interface design of the two tank sections, the upper part of the tank is inset into a groove during assembly. This design ensures tight, seamless welding along the joints. Finally, another round of flame lead soldering along the interface ensures a smooth, even welding finish. With this severely deformed truck gas tank repair is complete. This entire process showcases the exceptional skills of Pakistani mechanics. If you were to rate their work on a scale of 1 to 10, what score would you give?